In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use voice typing in Word, whether you're looking to boost your productivity or simply enjoy a more hands-free experience. Voice typing can be a game changer for drafting documents. We'll walk you through each step so you can get started with ease and confidence. First things first, you'll want to open your Microsoft Word application. Once you're in, navigate your eyes towards the Home tab. It's like the launchpad of Word, where most tools you'll frequently use reside. When you reach the Home tab, you'll notice a range of options, but don't get overwhelmed. We're just looking for one in particular. Now, direct your attention to the right side of the toolbar, where you'll find the Dictate option, represented by a handy microphone icon. This little icon holds the key to transforming your spoken words into text. With one simple click, this feature will be at your service. Go ahead and click on it. It's fascinating how easily we can turn technology to our advantage with just a single touch. If this is your first time using voice typing, Word may ask for permission to access your microphone. This is a standard procedure and nothing to worry about. Allowing Word access is crucial because, without this, it can't capture your voice input. So, when prompted, simply click Allow to grant the necessary permissions. Once you've completed these steps, you are all set to start dictating. As you speak, you'll see your words appear on the page, almost like magic. Let's explore a few tips to ensure you get the most out of this feature. Firstly, speaking clearly is essential. Think of it like having a conversation with someone who is taking notes. Clear articulation helps avoid any misinterpretations or errors in transcription. Another practical tip is to punctuate as you dictate. For example, saying period will place a full stop, or saying comma will add a comma just where you need it. It might feel a bit unusual at first, but it will quickly become second nature and enhance the clarity and fluidity of your document. If you need to pause, don't hesitate to stop speaking momentarily. Your Word document won't run out of patience. This can be particularly helpful if you're gathering your thoughts or considering your next point. While voice typing in Word is incredibly accurate, it's always wise to review your document afterward. Scanning through your text ensures everything reads just as you intended, allowing you to make any necessary tweaks, much like a second pair of eyes. And there you have it. With these simple steps, you can harness the power of voice typing in Word, freeing yourself up from the keyboard and maybe even sparking a little extra creativity in your writing process. Thank you for tuning in, and happy dictating!